Welcome to this week's virtual tech talk, which is taking lunch count via Google Classroom. So first off, you're going to start in the classwork portion of Google Classroom. Next, hit the blue plus sign and select question. You need to go ahead and put a title, so you can put the day and the lunch count, and make sure it's multiple choice and type in your options for lunch. Now you can either post right then or you can schedule to post it later on in the week. And if you're going to schedule it, once you select scheduling, you'll select the date and also the time that you want it posted to your Google Classroom. And as the students are responding to the lunch count, it's graphed so teachers can easily read it. And teachers could even schedule the lunch count for the entire week. So about 5 to 10 minutes of working on it and you're done for the rest of the week. This makes it more efficient and quicker for everyone involved, teachers and students.